This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need to start by accepting a key constraint. iOS is tied to Apple hardware, so you cannot truly replace Android with iOS. Once done, make a full backup of your device to avoid data loss and export important files. Next, install a reputable iOS-style launcher and matching icon pack from the Play Store. This is the first actionable change you can make to transform the interface. Make sure to grant the launcher the default home permission, so it activates immediately. Once the launcher is active, customize its grid, animations, and dock to mirror iOS spacing and behavior. Install apps that recreate Control Center, Assistive Touch, and an iOS-style lock screen. Configure shortcuts and quick toggles so you get similar workflows. Make sure to set the new launcher and lock screen apps as defaults and adjust gesture sensitivity to match iOS responses. If you want deeper mimicry, change the keyboard and system fonts, but keep performance in mind to avoid slowdowns. Finish by testing core behaviors, notification handling, phone calls, app switching, and control center toggles. Confirm defaults persist after reboot. If something breaks or the device becomes unstable, uninstall the last apps you added and reboot, and if necessary, restore your backup to return to a clean Android state. Make sure to weigh the trade-offs. If you need genuine iOS functionality, the reliable solution is to purchase an iPhone or use official iOS testing services, rather than forcing an imitation on incompatible hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.